as just now you do one activity, that nomination of candidate. Every citizen of the nation can nominate it for the candidate post for ward panch, sarpanch, MLA, MP, MLA, member of Legislative Council, Assembly, and MP, member of Parliament. So, nomination of candidate, they have to fill up a declaration form. A declaration form about their asset, about their pending cases, about their education, family background, and all other things. So, in nomination of candidate, it was fill up. Just like that, within 2 days, you are witness about the Panchayati Chunav, and all the people move over there, one candidate and 2 observers with him, and put the signature on the in front of district magistrate. Nomination was given by the political party, symbol was given by the political party. Then election campaigning, just now you have the election campaigning. There was a speech of Anurag Vyas and the slogan raised by the supporters of Anurag Vyas, Hamara Neta kaisa ho, Anurag Vyas jaisa ho. So these all are the election campaigning, and the best campaigning idea you can get from bigger parties. For example, Bharatiya Janata Party. Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, that whenever he gave the speech, it was a way in which he connect the flow of the words through which he connect the people. That is the style of election campaigning. As this one, भाइयों बहनों, कोरोना के इस काल में आप सबने बहुत अनुशासन से काम किया है, लेकिन ये लड़ाई लंबी है और हमें इस लड़ाई को लड़ने के लिए तैयार रहना है। त्योहारों का समय है भाई बहनों, हम बहुत जल्दी वैक्सीन बनाकर लोगों को, हर एक व्यक्ति को लगाएंगे। This is the way of election campaigning, just like Rahul Gandhi. ए भैया, इधर आओ भैया, तुम्हें रोजगार मिला नहीं मिला, क्या हुआ? नोटबंदी से क्या हुआ नुकसान? एक तरफ नोटबंदी, एक तरफ देशबंदी, देश बर्बाद हो गया। That is election campaigning. Provoke the people for their betterment, giving the slogans, thousands and thousands slogans given through the election, during the election time. 16th Lok Sabha election, from first Lok Sabha election, Gareebi Hatao. Now in this Lok Sabha election, Gareeb Hatao. कांग्रेस कहा आम आदमी के साथ अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. So these all are the slogans. Double engine sarkar, Bihar, double engine sarkar. Then sarkar failed, RJD. So these all are the slogans in election campaigning. Whatever the leaders popularize themselves, among citizens, among the political constituencies, that is known as election campaigning. And you all witness these things during the municipality board election or Gram Panchayat election. One funniest election campaigning we should add with this one. That was by my favorite character. Although he is literate person, but he generally used these things to mock the people, to attract the people towards him. Lalu Prasad. Oh, सब बंद कर दिया बिहार में. हमारी सरकार ने सब कुछ खोल रखा था, सब बंद कर दिया, सारे योजनाएं फेल हो गई. Now the way in which he interact with the people is direct connected with them. They like the speech. That is the way of election campaign. That is the way of election. Oh, our turn है आएगा. पिछले का तो कब्बे पे जा सकते हैं. Our turn साथ रहेगा. example, Mayawati ji, chalega hathi, udegi dhool, na rahega panja, na dikhega phool. So, slogans. They use the lines in a way that it was liked by the people. That is called election campaigning. Several times during the time of election, you witness several people moving here and there, morning meeting, evening meeting, then dinner diplomacy, everything was there. During the time of election, election is just like a festival in India. We celebrate this one. This is the great enthusiastic festival that we are having several dinners during this time by the political leaders. Although it was mandated by the guideline of Supreme Court and Election Commissioner, but still it is dinner diplomacy going on. So this is the way of election campaigning. I hope you understood. सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा? In the beginning of our chapter, there is Chaudhary Charan Singh Devilal and several others, political party Lok Dal, and this Lok Dal Chaudhary Devilal, this Lok Dal promised during the election campaigning that they waive the 100% loan of farmers. So the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha cannot do these things for Haryana. So people voted overwhelmingly in 1987's Lok Sabha election. In 1987's Lok Sabha election, people give their perfect support to Devilal's Jan Lok Dal, and out of 90, 76 seats won by Devilal, and his first decision was that to waive off 100% loan of farmers. So during the election campaigning, whatever the promise they do, they have to fulfill. If they can't fulfill, the government overthrown by the people, because after every 5 years they have to face the election. Understand? During the election campaign, different slogans were introduced. For example, after the emergency, Jayaprakash Narayan Patani, जब भी he do a great movement against the emergency declared by Shrimati Indira Gandhi and gave the slogan "सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है." Till today, it was remembered. For example, जन लोकपाल बिल लाओ या फिर घर जाओ. This was Anna Hazare. So these slogans memorized by the people, and they use these slogans during election campaigning. I hope you all understand this thing.